Hello guys, welcome back. Today I just want to tell you this is my electric scooter, and I am waiting for some parts of the new batteries and the capacitor. Then in the coming days I'll show you how I connect everything together. I'm still waiting for my batteries and the capacitor. Let me show you the old batteries. These are the old batteries from the electric scooter. They are not good. They are not good, but they can still work, but they are not very powerful. I'm changing these ones. I'm waiting for the new batteries to come, and let me show you the capacitor as well. Okay, I'm showing you the capacitor. This blue thing here, that's the capacitor I'm waiting for. The capacitor is gone. I'll show you how I redo this in the coming days when the spare parts come. Subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Please take me to 1000 subscribers end of this year, end of December, and end of November. Please take me to 1000 subscribers. Please. Happy making. See you.